Hi guys, it's Darren Miller again from Insurance Restoration Pro. Just got a call from a local business owner, and what's happened is they've got a building, two-floor building, that apparently on Friday or Saturday, because it's Sunday today, Sunday morning, somebody was working in there, and for some reason one of the water supply lines busted off, and it was running for they don't know how long because it flooded out a couple of floors. So I'm just stopping in to grab a booster juice, which is a kick butt little fire starter under the rump to get things going so we can rock and roll the day. And I'll see what's going on once we get to the site, fill you in on the extent of the damage and what we're going to do to mitigate this loss and get this home or the business owner back up and functioning, because it's getting into summer, and the location where this loss happened, it's more of a recreation area, so we want to get this guy up and running as quick as possible. So I'll break for now, and once I get to the site, we'll see what's going on. Okay, so we've had a hot water supply line that it was a braided no burst that flooded out this commercial building, and so with the hot water, it causes a lot of humidity in the air and a lot of condensation that's come down the windows. But what it was that bad boy right there, braided. Oh, it's fogging up my camera. Anyways, hot water supply line, and it was running for a while, swelled up the cabinets. Yeah, so we got vinyl, got direct glue down commercial carpet, went into a couple of offices. So what I'm doing right now is I'm burping the structure. I'm opening up all the doors and windows, getting some cross ventilation, dropping that humidity down, using the air from outside. I'm trying to transfer some air and the quicker we get this extracted and get some dehumidification up, will be good. So what's happened also, it's went into the basement, and it's basically come down into the ceiling below, and we've already extracted the carpet, direct glue down in the affected pretty much 2/3 of the ceiling. It's affected some bathrooms. Fortunately, we've got ceramic tile flooring, which is great. Great floor covering that's resilient to water, so we'll just dry that out. We've got standing water here in the HVAC utility room, so we're going to have to come in here and check everything out in here, make sure it's serviced properly. It's gone through the ducting, So we'll make sure we get all of that serviced. We got usually insulation in the hot water tank, so we'll make sure that that is serviced and we don't have any issues with insulation wrap being affected. We got floor drains in here, which is really fortunate, so whatever water was coming in, it went right down the drain. So very fortunate. So I'll update you once we get this secured and show you the next steps that we're ready to rock and roll with on this one. Very unfortunate for these people, but I'm glad we're here to help them and get them back to functioning as quick as possible. So we left the guys at the last job site to pull off some rubber cove base. They had to do a bit of moving some contents around. We had to move some filing cabinets, which were metal, and I didn't want them to rust the carpet, so we wanted to move them out of the area and also extract under there, apply some antimicrobial, and then set up some drying equipment. We don't know the age of the building, so there was a couple of samples that I wanted to make sure we took. We got some drywall mud compound as well as some linoleum that was in that kitchen nook area. So we'll get those results back tomorrow morning and then we can carry on with the demo that needs to be done there. So off to another job site. We had one come in and heading over there. It was something that happened a few months ago, but he was trying to recreate the water loss that happened. It looked like it was having to do with his dishwasher. So I'm going to go check that out and see what's going on and see if we can help him out, because unfortunate, it affected a bunch of hardwood flooring for him. So let's go check it out and see what we can do for him.